Will TikTok be unbanned? Let's get started. As of January 2025, TikTok has been officially banned in the United States due to national security concerns. TikTok has been removed from Apple and Google App Stores, and the app is currently inaccessible to US users. The US President has indicated a willingness to grant TikTok a 90-day extension to facilitate a potential sale of its US operations, which could lead to the app's reinstatement. However, until a divestiture occurs and is approved by US authorities, TikTok remains banned in the United States. When you search TikTok on ban in US, Google reveals real-time articles indicating TikTok's ban is likely temporary. You can filter news articles by past hour for most accurate and up-to-date information. Current projections suggest TikTok will be unbanned in approximately 90 days around May 2025. The ban duration might be extended, but the 90-day cycle is most recent estimate. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.